A fly-by-wire (FBW) system is a control system used in aircraft and spacecraft to convert the pilot's inputs into electronic signals, which are then used to control the various flight control surfaces, such as ailerons, elevators, and rudders. Instead of using traditional mechanical linkages, the fly-by-wire system relies on electronic sensors, computers, and actuators to provide control and stability during flight. Key components of a fly-by-wire system include sensors. These sensors, such as gyroscopes, accelerometers, and air data sensors, continuously measure the aircraft's position, orientation, and velocity. Flight control computers, FCC, the electronic brains of the system. These computers receive input from the sensors and the pilot's controls. They process this information and determine the appropriate control surface positions and movements to achieve the desired flight behavior. Actuators. These are electric or hydraulic actuators responsible for physically moving the flight control surfaces based on the commands from the flight control computers. Pilot interface. The fly-by-wire system provides feedback to the pilot through electronic displays or other means, and the pilot's inputs are transmitted electronically to the flight control computers. Benefits of fly-by-wire systems. Reduced weight. By replacing heavy mechanical linkages with electronic components, the overall weight of the aircraft can be reduced, resulting in improved fuel efficiency and performance. Increased safety. FBW systems can incorporate various flight envelope protections, preventing the aircraft from exceeding its safe operating limits, reducing the risk of stalls, spins, and other hazardous flight conditions. Enhanced maneuverability. FBW systems can optimize control inputs to enhance the aircraft's maneuverability and stability, allowing it to perform better during critical flight situations. Fault tolerance. FBW systems can be designed with redundant components and systems, improving the aircraft's ability to continue safe flight even in the presence of failures. Ease of handling. The fly-by-wire system can provide stability augmentation, making the aircraft more comfortable and easier to handle for pilots, especially during challenging flight conditions. Fly-by-wire technology has become a standard feature in modern commercial aircraft, military jets, and some advanced unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and spacecraft. Its adoption has been instrumental in improving aviation safety, performance, and efficiency.